Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the abbreviations of computer related to computer. AI, artificial intelligence, algorithmic language, ANSI, American National Standard Institute, ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network, bit, binary digit, BCD, binary coded decimal, BPI, bytes per inch, BPS, bytes per second, BCR, barcode reader, CAT, computer aided training, CAD, computer aided designing, CAM, computer aided manufacturing, CD, compact disc. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language, CU, Control Unit, CRT, Cathode Ray Tube, DBMS, Database Management System, DOS, Disk Operating System, DTP, Desktop Publishing, DBA, Database Administrator, DDL, Data Definition Language, DML, Data Manipulation Language. ABCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, VDU, Visual Display Unit, Email, Electronic Mail, ECOM, Electronic Commerce, ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, EDP, Electronic Data Processing, EDSAC, Delay Storage Automatic Calculator, EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, EMS, Expanded Memory Specification, ERNET, Education and Research Network, EEPROM, Erasable Program Read-Only Memory, EEPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory, FM, Frequency Modulation, FMS, File Management System, FSF, Free Software Foundation, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, GUI, Graphical User Interface, HLL, High Level Language, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, IBM, International Business Machines Corporation, ESDI, Enhanced Small Device Interface, JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, LLL, Low Level Language, LCD, Liquid Crystal Display, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, CGA, Color Graphic Adapter, VGA, Video Graphics Array, MPEG, Motions Picture Expert Group, Modem, Modulator, Demodulator, MIS, Management Information System, NASCOM, National Association of Software and Service Companies, ISP, Internet Service Provider, ITU, International Telecommunication Union, OMR, Optical Mark Reader, OOP, Object Oriented Programming, PC, Personal Computer, VCD, Video Compact Disc, VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Basic, Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, BBS, Bulletin Board System, ISO, International Organization for Standardization, BCC, Blind Carbon Copy, Laser, Light Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation, POP, Post Office Protocol, BIOS, Basic Input Output System, BMP, Bitmap, IDM, Integrated Digital Network, DNS, Domain Name System, Fortran, Formula Translation, PDF, Portable Document Format, GPRS, General Packet Radio Service, GPS, Global Positioning System, GSM, Global System for Mobile, VLSI, Very Large Scale Integration, ULSI, Ultra Large Scale Integration, OCR, Optical Character Recognition or Reader, VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, PHP, Hypertext preprocessor, RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, TCP/IP, transmission control protocol or internet protocol, RISC, reduced information state set computer, USB, universal serial bus. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for more videos like this, please.